A protein-packed hearty breakfast to start your day right. Welcome to Bangladeshi Breakfast Episode 1. It's a lentil curry called Dal Chorchori. Heat up your pan and add mustard oil. Next add cinnamon stick and cardamom. After that add few pinch of cumin and 2 dried red chilies. Then add 3 bay leaves. Stir it all and infuse the spices with the oil very well. Now add some chopped onions into it and stir it all. Cook the onions until they become brown in color. Keep stirring so it does not stick to the bottom. When the dried red chilies have become darker in color, set them aside on a different plate. Add little more oil if it sticks to the bottom. Now add garlic. If you cook with red lentil, then you also have to add ginger. Next you have to add little bit of water to it. Now on the pan add coriander powder, cumin, turmeric and chili powder. Cook the spices for 4 to 5 minutes and then add the lentil. Before using the lentil, they have to be fried without oil on a pan. Wash and soak in water for 30 minutes before using. Now mix the lentils with the spices very well. Now cook until oil separates and the water evaporates. Next you have to add salt to it. Mix the salt with the rest of the ingredients. Keep stirring gently. After the water evaporates and the oil separates, you have to add water to it. You have to add twice the amount of water for the lentil used. Here we have used 3 cups of water for 1.5 cup of lentil. After cooking the lentils for a while, add 2 green chilies for flavor. Then cover and let it cook. After a while, uncover the lid and add back the fried dried red chili. Now cover and let it cook until the lentil becomes soft. And cover and check if the water is at your desired level and if the lentil has become soft. Enjoy with ruti or rice. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe for more vegan recipes.